Okay, so I'm here with Underdog and Game Boy Master. And we are trying this clownfish voice changer for TeamSpeak. So
What do you mean when you in?
the one I'm using is pitch
Oh.
female. So let's try a male.
Hello. This is me. You sound like a male, apparently.
Sure.
Let's try helium.
Hello. Oh, this is adorable voice. I bet it is. It is. It gives everyone a headache. But I think I sound adorable. You guys sound like okay, but I sound adorable.
User joined your channel.
Hi. Okay, so now we're gonna try baby. This is baby. No, that's wrong. That is wrong.
Okay, this is robotic.
Buddy joined your channel.
Yeah, there you go. That's Atari. And this is phone. TeamSpeak apparently crashed using the program. I'm not sure if anyone else will have that problem.
Connected. Channel switched.
So, facing.
Connected. Channel switched.
And subscribe!